Hello students. In this video we are going to solve question number 8 of exercise number 7.2. In this question we have given that A and B are 2 points and between them P is another point which lies on the AB. Then we can show here, suppose these 2 points A and B, here one point P which lies on the joining of AB, and the coordinates of A are -2, -2, and coordinates of B are 2 and -4. We have to find the coordinates of P. Suppose this x and y. Suppose the coordinates of P are x and y. And one more thing we have given. Since AP is equal to 3/7 AB, it is also given. AP is equal to 3/7 of AB. Clear? So we have to find here the ratio by which P divides the joining of A and B. Clear? हमको एक रेशो फाइंड करना है कि किस रेशो में P इन A और B के ज्वाइनिंग को डिवाइड कर रहा है. ओके, सो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे ये जो दिया है AP इज इक्वल टू 3/7 ऑफ AB, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये 3 और ये 7 है, ये नहीं है. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर बाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 7AP इज इक्वल टू 3AB. वी कैन राइट नाउ 7AP इज इक्वल टू 3. अभी एक चीज और दिया है कि P lies on the line segment AB. It is also given that P lies on the line segment AB. इसका मतलब क्या है, हम इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, इस AB को AP प्लस PB लिख सकते हैं. We can write AP plus PB. Now 7AP is equal to 3AP plus 3PB. Can we write? Yes. Then 7AP minus 3AP is equal to 3PB. ये भी हो सकता है. Okay. 7AP minus 3AP, that is 4AP is equal to 3PB. और क्या हो सकता है, AP upon PB is equal to 3/4. This implies AP is to PB is equal to 3:4. ये लिख सकते हैं. That means here we can find that P divides the joining of A and B in the ratio 3:4. Clear? Now we have to find the coordinates of point P. So therefore coordinates of point P are x is equal to, what is x is equal to, m1 x2. Here it is m1 m2 x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2. We have all values. Now x is equal to m1 x2, m1 that is 3 into x2 2 plus m2 x1, m2 or x1 4 into -2 whole upon m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 4, that is 6 minus 8 upon 7, that is -2 upon 7. Similarly y is equal to m1 y2, m1 that is 3 into y2 that is -4 plus m2 that is 4 into y1 that is -2 whole upon 3 plus 4. Clear? Now y is equal to -12 minus 8 upon 7, that is -20 upon 7. So our answer is find the coordinates of P. The coordinates of P are minus 2 upon 7 and minus 20 upon 7. Clear? So in this way you can do this type of questions. Clear? So note it down.